Hey. Hey, what the fuck's going on over there? What up? What up? Sorry for the late start. Still dealing with all this new house stuff. Had to make sure I get all my forms in with the HOA so I could get my little quick pass fob so I could just drive right in instead of dealing with the guards at the gate. Wanted to make sure I got that over before I hang out on the stream for a couple of hours, you know? You heard? The sooner I could get that, the sooner I could get access to add people to the list, like contractors and shit. Let me just log into all my accounts here. I did an awesome job on some of these accounts. Awesome fucking job. I'm telling you, I'm the best fucking trader. I am the best trader in the world. And if you don't think so, you don't agree with me, well, I got news for you, pals. I could say I'm the best trader. Why not? Can I not say that? Can I claim it? Warren Buffett thinks so. He texted me earlier this morning. He's like, yo, Jay, you're the fucking best. You're the best trader ever since fucking Nam. I wish I could peel you away from the DGen fam and just keep you all to myself. He said that to me. He said that to me. I did something last night I haven't done in a really long fucking time, too. I'm really proud of my work. Really proud of it. Really proud of the work I did last night, especially. Yo, who the fuck is here? Who's out here? Ah. Marcine. Austin Means. Alfred. Jason. Jason here. Zero Day Jason. Hotshot. Kenny. Marco. Crank. Pimp Daddy, what's up, motherfucker? Robert Gallus. Slick Rick the Ruler. David Godin. Tory Trade's husband's here. Hell yeah. Crank. Is it still showing it? Oh yeah, this is the best. Look at this chop. Let me turn my screen sharing on. Hold on a sec. Let me hide my my dick pics. Have you ever unpassed a past account? Because I did last night. This account was over 3,000. This was at 3,030. And all I needed to do was get like 30 fucking bucks. This Take Profit Trader account. I just couldn't for the life of me win a fucking trade to save my life. I got top ticket at a certain spot and then it went down enough to fucking, if I would have stayed in the trade, it would have fucking hit it. And that's just what happened. So this is gone. That's gone. Who else is out here though? But I got two more and they're fucking halfway up. Jose Carlos, Marcos, Benjamin, Mohi, Tuan On, iTrade. Mohi, there he is. I said what's up to Mohi. Just ain't right. Mwah. Just my style. DBT, Mill, Cyberpie, Cajun, 1-800 Maestro, Jay, Tick Daddy, Debt 5. Add me to the list, bro. Christopher, I fucking butchered your name last time. I don't remember how it was. Broey. Christopher B. That's the right way to say it. John Q. J. Min. Joey Freedom. What's up, Bot? Donna. Matthew Van Zant Newts. Yeah, dude. Tim Morgan. I feel you, man. Ma Barley. Sintra. Orjan. Mike Coxsmall. Great Dane. Big Key. Ian Connor. Dwayne. Isaac, Omega Stonks, Gian Rich, Mars, Joker, Kevin B, Thumper, Trent Friend, Spencer, Melvin, Uwe, Omega Stonk. Damn, I missed a bunch of you guys. Cool. I see you, though. I see you. Felix, Jake Bradley. Tim Morgan kept telling you to full port. Yeah, it's Tim Morgan's fault. Full port. All right, let me show you what else I got going on. Carlos, Shari, AS. I just wanted to let you know I've made a decision. I am not going to trade. I decided to not trade in the Trade Day Influencer Cup until next Sunday. I don't want to be bothered with it. What's up, Bach? I don't want to be bothered with it. Wix. Where's Lou Sassol? Kevin B. Am I in the BDH? No. I'm good on that. Nayo, what's up? Phil McCracken. No, I was the first spot. I was a couple of days ago. The truth is I blew both of my allowable fucking evals. After blowing the first one, I went up 2,600 in the second one. And just like, I just want to have a $2,700 day, and then I fucking blew it. So, you know what? I don't need to be fucking aggravated for any amount of time on an account I'm not going to get fucking paid on. So I'll wait to fuck around with that shit until Sunday, which is as soon as I'll be able to anyway. Right? As much as I want to like show out in the contest, you know, it doesn't fucking do me any good unless I win, which means I got to beat 20 fucking other people at least. I can't, I'm having trouble beating myself right now. So why am I going to fucking stress over it? Whenever I get those, it's going on for a month, so I could easily pass it next week and then catch up. So, but I'm not the only one who fucking blew accounts. People are doing dumb shit, trading those accounts, and not fucking, except for the people that really want to win. Doomlord, Uwe, Ma Barley, Fillmore Butts, Mr. Goblin, Elemento, the 5-hour chart, the Master Debater, Michael E. Yeah. They'll do that. Like, you'll get taken out thinking you don't have any drawdown left, and then all of a sudden, well, look at what we're doing now. What is this? Is it going to drop eventually? Maybe. Where are we at? Are we at I feel like the previous day's high is what we can drop to if we do it all, maybe these wicks. But if we drop, like all we do every fucking day, it's like a daily occurrence. We just keep hitting all new all-time highs. Not just with the NQ. The NQ doesn't make any sense to me. Gold makes sense because the world is going to shit. And the dollar is becoming less and less worth anything. It's becoming worth less and less every fucking day. And a lot of countries are starting to stack up on fucking gold and silver. That's why gold and silver keep going up. They're finally starting to reach what they actually should be worth. But it's still not even close. They got a long ways to go as far as I'm concerned. But so we did that. So whatever. I did this. I got the leader and the follower. These are funded accounts that I could actually get money from, right? I could potentially get actual money from bulenox. I don't have to beat out 20 fucking people. Or 20 or more. So I have 2 days in. I need 8 more days. How hard can it be? So those are good. We got the leader and the follower, both in the same spot. I locked myself out like a big boy. Didn't want to try to push it anymore. What else do I got going on? This is my funded Lucid account. First day having a funded Lucid account. I got that shit up $900, $912 to be exact. So that's cool. That's a good fucking start. Oh, there it is. That's the drop I've been fucking waiting for. There it is. And then what else? Here's my trade day evals. Remember on Friday I got new trade day evals and I tried trading them at the end of the day and lost like $418. Well, I got all that back and I'm up 900 on the day or $899 on the day on all 3 of these. So these are looking good. These I could get paid on without having to beat out 20 people. And then last but not least, Eric Graham, what up? Trading Star, what's good? Amorpha T, what up? Orjan, Mystic Rick. Orjan, yeah, I mean, I know people are getting paid from that prop firm. Oh, and here's my Apex account. Here are all my funded Apex accounts. This one was down like $900 fucking at one point because I'm an idiot. But I was just in short. But we were fucking chopping around. See? It went down fucking another 12 points from where I got taken out. But like after all this chop. So whatever. I'm not fucking around in this chop. I'm just not. I refuse to fuck around the chop. Vince, what up? TJP. So all of my funded accounts are green. All of them. All 12 of them. Who, like, you know what I mean? Yeah, I blew the fucking 2 evals I'm allowed to trade for the week with the Trade Day Cup. All of my funded accounts that I don't have to beat anybody other than myself are green. You're getting audited for different IP addresses? That's fucking annoying. I get why they do that because there are services out there that will fucking, they promise to fucking pass and get you to payouts. Third-party services. So they're probably, damn, bro. Oh, I'm fucking annoyed. I might just call it a day on this because you know what? It's a $50 day. So there's 2 days in on this one. You know what? That's exactly what the fuck I'm gonna do. Nick trades. All right, guys. Well, it's been real. I'll trade something. I'm just not trading these Apex accounts. But I wish I held this fucking shit longer. I mean, fuck. I did have like, it did go down this much and then it popped back up and I was trailing. But fuck, man. 35, 17, 18 more points. Mars. Yeah, exactly. What if you want to what if you're at your house and then you're at work? What if you're trading at your house, right? Or you fucking like to go fucking trade at the Starbucks. You like to scream at the screen while you're sitting at Starbucks. So now that's 3 different potential locations. What if you're at your mom's house? You got to watch her dog or some shit. Or at a friend's house and you're trading. That's fucking bullshit. What up, Fallacy? What am I doing? Being a big boy and just calling it a day with all 9 of my funded Apex accounts. Why not? Why not? Although this was a great spot for a bounce. Tay Day, what up? Miss Goody. Triple M's. Yeah, I would tell Funded Ticks, like, Funded Ticks, I was at Warren Buffett's house. How could you hold that against me? I was putting on a fucking masterclass in trading for all of his fucking minions. How could they be mad at me for that? DBT, right? I'm actually smart for once. Josh. All right, but I'm going to get something. Hold on a sec. I don't know what to get. Nice little 10-point bounce. Where is this shit going? This is the hourly. What's the 15 looking like? I mean, we just keep going higher and higher. This shit is hard to trade. I know some of you guys are killing it, and I love that for you guys, but trading all-time highs and the shit's happening every fucking day has been a little bit of a challenge for me. A tad bit. And I know a lot of the things I'm doing wrong. I can tell you some of the things I'm doing wrong. Getting caught in fucking chop. Not fucking calling it a day on accounts that are already looking good. Maybe over leveraging, but I don't think so. Blowing with the wind, not waiting for a better setups, chasing a lot. That's hurting me more than the fucking size of my accounts. The issue is when I'm on, I'm fucking pretty fucking spot on with my entries and shit, or just my what I think is gonna happen. So if I'm chasing and I'm in the middle of a fucking move or in a range, I'm gonna get fucked. So I'm working on cutting back on that. And then I have someone commenting on my shit saying, oh, it's really fucking hard to watch. Then don't fucking watch. Get the fuck out of here. I don't understand. Someone actually said that in a comment on one of my videos. Don't fucking watch then, bro. No one's asking, no one's holding a gun to your head. Go hang out with someone else who's boring as fuck. But they might be decent traders. Go sit around and wait for them to take a trade for 3 hours. Go ahead. Get the fuck out of here then. And then complain. Now I'm going to get fucking age restricted again because I said fuck. Like I give a fuck. Size matters. You know what, Mr. Goblin? It's really, what's more important is how you throw it at the nail. And that's where I've been fucking up. How I throw my hammer at the nail has been the problem. And when I throw my hammer at the nail. Right, Gary? P, what up? Go kick some rocks. What's my edge trade in this market? Not doing all the shit I said I've been doing. But this shit is hard, bro. It's hard. What up, Johnny? RJ. Exactly, bro. I got to get better at top ticking and bottom ticking the market instead of getting top ticked and bottom ticked. And a lot of that has to do with my entries. It's the angle and the dangle. One stop. What up? Home Depot. Ariane Postali. What up? Miss Goody. She knows. AS. Yeah. Get Lucid one day to pass. I could. Yeah. I mean, I'm grabbing an Apex right now as we speak. Speaking of one day to pass. Apex. 80% off. No activation fee. With the best fucking code ZERODAYJAY. Oh, an $85 lifetime activation fee. Oh, wait, no. I said no activation fee like I was talking about Trade Day or Take Profit Trader. Apex, $85 lifetime activation fee until the end of October 16th. My bad, guys. $85 to make them holler one time. 80% off. Just know, guys, heads up on if you've grabbed an Apex eval during these last couple of promotions, I'm looking at it right now, and you don't pass the account or you don't activate the funded account in 30 days, better make sure you don't get hit with a rebuild, because right now the rebuilds are going to come through at 50% off. So if I don't remember to fucking cancel the subscription, if I blow the account, I will get charged $93.50 for a fucking rebuild. So pay attention to that shit. Because the last promotion was rebuilt, I think rebuilt at 80, but this one right now that's going on, I'm looking at it right now. It's 80% off the first month and then 50% off each month after. You'll be fucking pissed if you get charged $93 for a fucking Apex account in 30 days. So just keep that in mind. Look at this shit fucking drop, you fuck. But yeah, take profit traders 40% off a no activation fee. Trade days 30% off a no activation fee. Bulenox is still 91% off. $15.75 evals. If you go with the 50Ks, you can only do a 50K or bigger, option one. Just use the best code ZERODAYJAY if you want to support the channel. uh, $14.81. Dude, I'm so annoyed about this because I got out at fucking like 37. At 34.50. $14.81. It's bouncing off the up of the VWAP band. The up of the VWAP band. Also, yeah, you could pass Lucid in one day, but it's tricky because you could only trade with 4 contracts. So if I were to pass, for me to be, I mean, I just grabbed an account anyway, but for me to be able to pass a Lucid account, I need 37.5 points. I need to win by 37.5 points at full port with four minis. That's a lot. That's a lot to ask for. If it's gold, I need 75 ticks. Day trader cut. Ronnie. Code expired. What? Hold on a second. Use Ronnie. J91 for hold on. Did the fucking deal end? Hold on a second. My bad. Let me just double check that. Try J91, but let me just see if the deal's still going. Oh no, it's not. 91% is over. That sucks. It's 83%. 83% off. Sorry, guys. I got to fix this. I'll fix it later. You know what? Let me fix it now. I don't want to mislead anybody. My apologies. Look at this shit. This is the problem with like trading this shit. Look at all these candles. Yeah, it's cleaner on the bigger time frames. For sure. This is the 15, obviously the hourly. But even the hourlies, look at there's wicks like on every fucking candle. Look at this shit. I hate all-time high trading. I don't think there's 37 points, 37.5 points waiting for me for the rest of this day. Fucking gold. Well, that sucks. I got to do something here. Real quick. How much lower is this going to go? You think like it bounced off of this right here. You see this? Maybe 19. If it comes down here, we'll wait for it to come down here. If it even does. All right, one sec, guys. I got to fix something. Talk amongst yourselves. I'm still here, obviously. I got to fix this fucking shit. That I got to fix. And then These fucking things. These fucking things. Oh, I'm gonna get age restricted. I'm gonna get age restricted. So stupid. I went on a stretch of like 2 or 3 weeks, 2 weeks in a row. I didn't get age restricted at all. And then I heard somebody's feelings, or somebody came on just to be a dick, and then they probably fucking logged into multiple accounts and flagged my shit to get me age restricted. Now all of a sudden, every fucking video, every live stream is getting age restricted. Fucking losers. Biggest fucking losers in the world. Anyway. Anywho. Who. All right. What are we doing here? Nothing. Nothing, you idiot. Dr. Dre's dead. Well, I got my order in. What's funny is if it drops down here, it would have been enough for me to get my shit passed. AME. What's the best code to use for the discount? ZERODAYJAY is the best fucking code in the fucking world. Spoiled. Kevin Tobias. Yeah, Lucid has daily loss. They do. I actually hit the daily loss limit. Where is it? That's not it. I hit the daily loss limit in this account the first day, and then I blew it the second day. But this one, I passed. And then I passed on Friday, and then this is the first day of having a funded account. You know how you can tell the difference? I mean, it's pretty straightforward, but this one starts with LTE, which means eval, and this one starts with LTF, which means funded. Now I got another one. They should put 5G before the LTE. Get it? What number is that? 003. I think also they count the amount of accounts you have. So this is my third eval. This is my third eval. This is 003. This is my first funded account, 001. Here's my first eval, 001. This was 002 in terms of evals. Cave Trader, what up? Clinvale. Oh, nobody got me upset. I just don't understand why people say shit like that, like in a comment on a video. It's like, all right, bro, then don't fucking watch if you don't like what I'm doing. I respect everyone's opinion, but no one's fucking putting, oh, it's tough to watch. All right, then get the fuck out of here. Don't watch my shit. I don't understand why people have to go out of their way to say that. Fine. And then they're telling me I'm gambling with my funded accounts. You could see it that way. I've just been bad with my entries. That's all. I've gotten over $100,000 in payouts since fucking December. I guess I was just getting lucky with my gambling. I was just on a fucking heater with my gambling. Something changed in the market, and I haven't made the adjustment yet. I'm in the process of making the adjustment. And I got fucking antsy and fucking anxious with my trading because I'm putting too much pressure on myself. It's pretty fucking simple. Now to get over it, that's a whole nother fucking thing. That's what I'm working on right now. Tick Daddy. Mamba Lambo, what up? Ronnie, I mean, they will maybe. What up, Yash? Eventually. They always do. I just don't know when they're going to do it. Nick, yeah, exactly. How many times have you seen me fucking get into a trade? Let's say I go long, my entry would be resistance. Or if I went short, my entry would be fucking support. It's happened so many fucking times recently. And this shit is fucking garbage fucking price action. What is this shit? Who knows what the fuck this is going to do? It bounced off of the VWAP band. What's the fucking New York? Oh, it bounced off the top orb. Well, it wicked below it. I mean, we could fucking pump now because we just came out of the orb again. J Min. Stoic, what up? Yeah, hotshot, exactly, bro. And some people like to just watch because they decompress. I get that, and I love it. I appreciate it. But, like, man, if you're going to say that in the comments, like, not even in the chat, but, like on a comment on one of my videos, like my update videos, like, really? You had to add that one thing? You can't just give your fucking feedback and your opinion on what you're seeing, what you think is happening. You have to say, it's fucking hard to fucking watch. Then get the fuck out of here. It's that simple. Don't watch. Gary, more tan lines. Yes. Yeah, Alfred. Yeah, it seems that way. What up, Coach Singh? We you know, we all know that, but I'm not just gonna fucking let shit like that fucking slide. I will fucking bring attention to it because because it's my fucking channel and I can. Oh, this shit is, oh my God. Oh my God. See, it ended up dropping enough to pass a fucking eval with Apex at least. I'm actually scared now. Where is 502? I feel like it. 202. Sorry. Here's the previous day's high. I feel like it wants that eventually. So right now, I'm just gonna fucking wait. Actually, the previous day's high is like right around here, like 98. This is an interesting spot too. I'm just gonna wait. Jordan, what up? Jay Min. It was it was 50 Harjeet, of course, man. Christopher Branzall. All of my funded accounts are green. Every one of them, all 12 of them. I even decided to stop at 56 bucks here because I was down big in this account. And it's already at 1,300. I was actually up a little bit more, and then I gave it back and was down hundreds. I was like, you know what? I ain't fucking with this shit. But I'm a little annoyed because fuck, man, I was in a short and I got out at 34.50 and it just went down to fucking 208. So that's annoying, but I can't. It is what it is. All 9 of my funded Apex accounts are green. I got 2 new fucking take profit traders halfway up exactly after fucking unpassing one. I still needed 30 bucks because you know where I fucked up on this account right here? I forgot to lose money on purpose on Friday. So I needed to get the account up to 3,060. And that's where it fucking went down. I don't know. It happens. It happens. Yeah, dude, here it comes. It's going to come. Now, does it go all the way down to the VWAP? That's a good question. No, I did not catch the drop. I'm not chasing. I'm not chasing. Catboy, what up? Chasing definitely makes for entertaining fucking entertainment for you guys, but I can't chase anymore. I'm tired of fucking chasing and fucking myself. So I'm just chilling. If it hits this, it hits this. I'm just worried it's going to blow through it. That's what I'm worried about right now. But man, I could have fucking just went short around here and then fucking wrote it down 15 points, but that's not how it played out. Danny Sivas, no activation fee would take profit trader. You could be all in with a funded account where you could get paid on day one and get paid every single day for as little as 90 bucks when you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. See, this was an interesting spot right here. You see where it bounced? Right here, you had some support here, but I don't know if that's enough. I think it wants the previous day's high, which is at like 98, 198. Oh, you fucker. You're not going to. All right. Now I'm worried it's going to fucking plummet even more. Yeah, see? I mean, whatever. This gets blown, it gets blown. All my funded accounts are green. All 12 of them. Where's the VWAP? Down here? Yo, does it want the VWAP? Yeah, it does. This is what I was afraid of when I fucking put this order in. But once again, what's a fucking power hour? What's a power hour with me trading where I don't fucking suck? I'm curious. I'm curious if it's going to drop it all the way down and then bounce it on. Yeah, these are gone. These are goners. Well, this one is gone. I'm only in one account. There we go. Did you really, Micah? Ugh. I literally said, I'm afraid it's going to fucking keep dropping if I get filled here. Now it's going to pop. I'm just going to wait for the VWAP. What am I supposed to do? Yeah, right here, right, Stoic? I see it. I thought it was going to bounce off of this area. I thought it was going to bounce off the previous day's high. It's just going to wick below it. Now it's going up. Watch it go to my take profit. My take profit was at 17 or some shit. 17. I'll laugh. That's all I can do. Damn, Micah, bro, I feel for you, man. Hey, Trader Cut, would you be fucking surprised? Akshay, what up? They want it all. They want it all. Oh, if you guys want to grab a Lucid account, my code gets you 40% off. ZERODAYJAY. Yeah, look. Let's see what happens here. That's the 50-minute candle right there. But fuck, man. I was in short. Oh, look at
Nope, look at nothing.
Look at those legs. I was in short on, whoops, wrong account. I was in short on this account right here. 453. I got out at 30. I got out at 34.50. Where is it? Right here. And it went down another fucking 40 something points. How awesome. But whatever. I was down like, I don't know, as much as 800 or $1,000 in that account. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Anyway, here's my order. How much did they drop it? 252. They didn't even drop it that much from the high, from another all-time high. We all know what's going to happen next. 17. 17 is the magic number on that Apex account. Trusty Tran, what up? Leaders. You went to Seattle? Were you sleepless? Ron. I'm trying to think of what the joke is with your name, Ron. But I don't think it's anything. But nice new account. Sleep. PK, what up? All right, hey, good job. Great job. Honest take. Yeah, it's brutal. Tiago, what's good, man? Hey, that's me. Hey, that's me. What's this 54-minute candle we're going to do? Let me fucking move this down so we can see my order. None of these fibs matter anymore. I think I got bottom ticked on that account. 1481, 89. It went down another fucking 3 ticks and then it bounced. Basically back to my, not to my entry, but here's the 54-minute candle. I wouldn't mind passing another Apex eval so I could have an even 10 funded accounts. Day traded cut. It's nothing really happened yet. I mean, we went there. We're just picking out flooring and shit. We're changing out the flooring. You know, we're in the. I still haven't even got hooked up with the fucking HOA yet. Stock, cars, and bets. Stoic. Oh my God, bro. That's that type of market, though. You can't trust it. You can't trust. It's hard to trust this market. Look at gold. Look at gold on the daily. This is the daily on gold. You want to see the fucking range on gold for the day? 945 is the high. I'm talking like the last 3 numbers. That's how I like to do the math. 092. Almost 900 ticks today. And most of that happened fucking during the overnight. Yeah, stock, cars, and bets. Yeah, man. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with what Stoic did either. There's nothing wrong with that shit. Could be worse. Oh, am I going to get filled on this fucking the VWAP? That would have been enough to fucking pass. Both algo candles were really nothing burgers. If you really look, if you do the math. The 50-minute candle was 11 points. The 55-minute candle was 12 points. There's no earnings today or anything, right? Saad, what up? Did I join his tournament? No. Gold is scary, just ain't right. You got to be careful with gold. Yeah, I think what? And like this week, I mean, this month, right? A bunch of shit. Just ain't right. And what did he do? He just kept adding, right? He just kept adding to his shit because that's what he does. He's a big DCA guy. Alfred, do you think, let me ask you guys. Bobby Max, what up? I mean, he probably, I don't know exactly what he does, but I mean, he knows what he's doing. He just has levels and he starts really small. And if it keeps at each level, he just keeps adding until his overall whatever thesis plays out. I don't know. He's getting payouts though. But I know the feeling blowing a fucking take profit trader account, like on, a funded account, never fun. Exactly, Bobby Max. Even me, like I've been trading like shit lately. But I mean, even with that said, I still got a payout last month. I fucking only won, but I don't know. It's just I'm just working through this bullshit. Stock cards event. Top G, what up? I don't know, man. It would have happened already. I think it wants to take out the VWAP. I still got this order in. Oh shit, it's gonna get filled. Can you feel me? Oh my God, no? All right. 77. Hold on a second. 3,000 divided by 80. 37.5 points. 77.25 plus 37. 114.50. That's the fucking magic, the magical kingdom of passing in one day on a Lucid account. Kevin Tobias, yeah. I don't know. What did he have? What size account was it? Yeah, I do have a daily loss limit. There's a daily. I mean, you don't lose the account though if you hit it. So the daily loss limit on my fucking Lucid eval is my stop. Yash. Just ain't right. I know the feeling. Haven't you seen me fall for that shit too? Yeah, Alfred. Yeah. I don't know if this has 37 fucking points. We did drop pretty fucking hard. Like, look at this shit. Look at this. Look. $37, 114. That's asking a lot. That's asking a lot. It's got to get over this fucking shit. It's got to get over the previous day's high. It's asking a lot. I don't know how far. I don't know how much more is left in the tank. Look at this. You like that, Stoic? Oh, man. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? Hey, smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. If he was here, he would tell you to smash the like button. If you guys want to hang out with the best fucking community on these fucking prop firm streets, you're more than welcome to hang out in the DGen treehouse with the DCA gang, the DGen fam. It's the best community on these prop firm streets, and it's free for now. Nice job, Christopher B. Professor Loki. That's right, yeah. Hey, smash the like button for Professor Loki, who's standing in for Trevor LeConte. LeBron's. Yeah, you know the answer to that. Plenty of them. Just not last month. The best fucking code. I know LeBron's is just fucking around when he asked that question. Making fun of trolls. He's trolling trolls. Be good, Chris. Thanks for popping in. Hell yeah. There's people who actually say that and mean it. Golf guy Mike, yeah. I'm going to teach you guys a lesson in humidity. This is what I was worried about. It doesn't, I don't know how much it has in the tank to go up. I don't know if I'm going to get 30 fucking 30. What's the range today? That's what I want to see too. 252. I don't know, like 257 points is the range on the day. The good thing about Lucid is it's end of day trailing. So I'm not like losing trailing drawdown right now. But I am losing gains. I am losing gains with a Z. Let's see if it fucking pushes up another leg here. It probably won't. Like, look what it's done. Just kept doing this. But I had my order at the VWAP and I waited patiently like a big boy. What's interesting is if I went short here, you know, at the perfect spot, if I was perfect, I could have passed this thing on the way down. Big gains. All right, Ron, thanks. We'll see. I'm not, you know, I don't see it. I don't see it. Now the question is, yeah, see like that vote? Do you think Q3 earnings send the market into the stratosphere or finally pulls it back? I should have said further into the stratosphere. It's basically 50-50. It's 46 stratosphere, 54% pullback. The next poll I wanted to ask, I wanted to show you guys another poll of mine and ask what you think is going to happen to this trade while I go get coffee. Does it go up? Here, let's do that right now. I'm going to end this poll because I need some more fucking coffee. Will this trade stay green or go red while I go get coffee? Green, red. Be right back. Be right back. BRB. Hey, I'm still green. What did you guys think? Most of you said red. Probably because you've seen so much dumb shit happen while I'm in a trade. It doesn't look great to the upside, but maybe this pushes through all of this. Imagine that. It pushes through all of this. War. What up? Marcin. That's right. I'm photoshopping that shit. Subi guy, what's good? Yeah, I am, but there's a lot of shit, you know what I mean? It's just, it's just gonna be a lot of this still needs to get fucking spent. But yeah, overall, I'll take how today played out. All of my funded accounts are green. All 9 of my Apex accounts, my Lucid account, my 2 funded bulenox accounts, the leader and the follower. This was my biggest fuck up of the day. These 2 are halfway up. These 3, after being down over $400 on Friday on day 1, I got them up $900 today. So, no complaints. I'll take it. A green on this Lucid funded account here on day 1, $900. VWAP, what up? We just did tap the VWAP. We tapped it, bruh. I hope we don't tap it again because I'm in long from the VWAP. But yeah, it's looking like it might just fucking drop back down, which is not what I want. It's just riding down this fucking trend line. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it has it in it. It rejected off of like the bottom of these 2 fucking spots here. And this wick. Who knows? Who the fuck knows? Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to fucking put my stop here. Actually, no, I said my stop was going to be the daily loss one, but I don't want to. I'd rather not hit it. What did I have? I only had what? 9 points, which is nothing. I mean, well, it's still a lot. It's like $700. Uh-oh. Well, there you have it. Still fucking green. 71. Let's try this again. It retested Actually, why is this here at 76? Is that where this is? Why are the VWAPs not the same? TradeDay's usually fucking spot on with TradingView. The VWAP on TradingView on the extended hours is at 172. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Maybe we will hit the daily loss limit today. Not like I give a fuck. All I give a fuck about are these funded accounts. They're all green. But this is what I was afraid of. It fucking came up here and rejected. Oh, you know what I just got? I saw Ron. There was Ron Stanfinkel on there. What's Ron Finkel? Ace Ventura Finkel. Oh, Ray Finkel. You think they did that as an Ace Ventura thing or no? I don't know. Finkel is Einhorn. Einhorn is Finkel. My crotch. What up? Jay Measy. They were about the same. Next trade, Lou, what up? They're about the same. JP, what's good? Smart. I did a big boy thing too. I was down pretty big in this account right here, this funded account, and I got it back green and got it to 56 bucks, and I decided to not fuck with it anymore and keep all of my funded accounts, not just Apex, but Apex. Oh, look, it's in a different spot here. That's fucked up. But Apex, all my funded accounts are green. Apex, Lucid, where is it? Lucid, this is this one right here, and bulenox. I did a big boy thing today. Decided not to fucking push. Even though I'm fucking annoyed because I was in a short from like 34. At 34, I got out, and it went down another fucking, 50 points at this point. But what are you going to do? Got to preserve the fucking capital. Laces out. Yeah, Jay Measy, like, there's differences. Like, you could have as many as 5 accounts with Take Profit Trader. 5 funded accounts at the same time. You could only have as many as 3 funded accounts with Trade Day. They do pay about the same time. And the other thing with Trade Day will push you to live sooner than Take Profit Trader will in terms of how much profit you have to get. So keep that in mind as well. But you could buy end of day trailing with Trade Day, and you can't with Take Profit Trader. So with Trade Day, you have your choice of intraday, end of day, and trail and static, and whatever you get on the eval side, if and when you pass, and you don't have to pay an activation fee right now. you will have that on the funded side. So you could get a funded account for as little as $69 right now with trade day. Take profit trader is end of day for the eval, and it flips to intraday on the funded, unless you until you go Pro Plus, which is live. Bobby Lashley. I'm not sure. You could probably find that. Does anybody know the answer to that? Bobby Lashley wants to know if he can use Rhythmic Apex accounts with NinjaTrader. I would assume so. I would imagine so. I think the answer is yes, but can anyone confirm that? VWAP. You know what's crazy, bro? The VWAP is different on, look, it hasn't even hit it on TradingView yet. Look. It's different than what's on Tradeday. Christopher Branzel, yeah. All right, there we go. That's what I thought. Rick, thank you. Tyson Hall. Have I ever made it to Pro Plus? No. I've only gotten Pro accounts, which is fine. I'll just keep taking payouts from those. I don't care. Robert Gallis, thank you guys. That's what I thought. See, I don't fuck with that rhythmic shit, so I didn't know 100%, but I'm pretty sure that's why people choose that option, so they could copy trade with NinjaTrader. All right, here's this fucking account. We kind of broke the trend. Not maybe. We broke the 9, but does that mean we broke the trend? I don't know. Not necessarily. Where's Tori trades trend lines when we need her? Yeah, Quan Tower, yeah, all that shit. Bobby Lashley, no doubt. Tradeday fee works much better on Ninja, just FYI. Yeah, well, they own it, don't they? You would think it would be fucking seamless at this point. Have I ever done a massive YOLO and was just on a take profit trader account? Yeah, plenty of times, especially when I'm playing half a smash. See, that's from doing exactly what you just asked. Full port, 6 contracts for 12.75 points. Get you 1,500. Yeah, this fucking shit, man. I guess it didn't break the trend. Let's draw a Tory trades trend line, I mean. It broke it. Well, kind of. Kind of, sort of. Buy my course, $5,000. Look at that. If it breaks it, you might want to go long. She's not in here. She's probably in the shower. What line is this? It's Tori's trend line. It's just a line I drew just now based on the 1-minute chart, which probably isn't the best representative of shit, but it's just a line. It just wants to keep fucking going down. I haven't seen this in forever. This might be a buy signal. TMQ. Excuse me. What's the newest exec? Flag burners will be immediately arrested? That's a fucking, so much for your First Amendment right. Damn. Don't burn a flag unless you want to go to prison. What was the executive order? Any news on gold? A sign of turmoil and unease. That's the problem. Oh, they're betting on Fed rate cuts? Is that what they're doing? Global uncertainty is the real reason. Excavators find 1 million in gold coins from Spanish shipwreck along Florida's Treasure Coast. Oh my God. On CNN, I can't wait to see those things all over where I buy fucking gold and silver from. Anyway, let's see what's going on with this fucking trade. What is this? What was the what the fuck is TM Trilogy Metals? Trilogy Metals Trump. I'm sure they didn't buy oh, they mine for zinc and copper. I'm sure all the politicians did not buy any TMQ before this executive order was signed, guys. Because they're trustworthy. I believe them. Yeah, same with me. Same with me, Justine, right? Actually, I don't even know. Mine's right here at 173 on the extended hours. I don't know why. Spoil. I mean, maybe. Carlos, it sure is. Thanks here. What up? It does on extended. I'm on this chart's on extended hours. This shit goes 23 hours a day. What do you want, Penelope? Trump's talking right now? Clinvale. I know, dude. I can't even say that name. I can't even say that word, Saad. Draw some glasses on those lines. I don't think I'm going to get my 37 points, guys. Come on, just fucking 30-something more points. What up, Jake? No name. Trump's. Yeah, Tyson Hall. That's the name. That's the objective when you get a funded take profit trader account. You need to get over the buffer to get a payout. Anything over the buffer is what you can request. That's the name of the game. That's how trade day is as well. What the fuck? Speaking of take profit trader, they are 40% off right now with no activation fee. When you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Trade day is 30% off with no activation fee when you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. What up, JP? I think I saw. Oh, I think I said what up to you. I'm just looking through the thing. Cajun, 198. I don't know, man. Maybe. I don't know. It's moving fucking slow. 185 achievable? We're right there. Maybe. What do you need? 185.25? Very possible. But don't take my word for it. Because look, Trump is fucking something up. I would like to see a deal made with healthcare. I did not tell Netanyahu to stop being negative about the hostage deal. You know why? Because only he tells you what to do. Mystic Rick. Yeah, you know why? I know why. Because I never flipped off this fucking... Did I just... Tell me if I get... Hey, tell me in... Hey, chat. T. Charles, what up? Trade day is legit as fuck, man. Legit as fuck. Hey, chat. Hey, chat. Tell me if I just disappeared from the thing. Tell me if I blacked out. Yeah, stoic. I like the 25Ks. I just trade the fucking funded accounts like an idiot. That's the only... I've gotten paid on a 50K and a 150K plenty of times. But never on the never the 25K. Not yet, at least. I'm still here. Is it better now, Rick? Hey, Mystic Rick, is it better now? I wasn't fully fucking hardwired. Now I'm hardwired. I should be getting a bajillion megabits per second now. What up, Coach Fred? All right, cool. Is it still buffering or is it better now? I was just curious. Oh, shit. I don't mind. Get the fuck up there. Yo, there's your, what would you need? What did you need? 83.25? Yo. But yeah, I don't know. And maybe it's Streamlabs. I'm on fucking, my internet is fucking on a billion right now. Oh, 185.25 is what you needed. Did you get it? Oh, bro. Spoil. Almost. You might still get it. You might still get it. Oh, that's all we get. Scalpster, what up? Harjeep, they have a, really? Is this coming all the way back down, you fucking piece of shit? They have a rule. They don't want you activating more than 10. You're not allowed to activate more than 10 funded accounts in any 30-day period. They kind of limit you on that front. The secret to avoiding that is don't fucking blow 10 funded accounts in a 30-day period. And what happens is, like, when the time rolls off, that's it. Let's see what's going on here. That's my download speed. Here's my upload speed. Yeah, I don't know, Rick. Maybe it's YouTube. Look at this shit. You know what sucks about the new house? They don't have fiber. There's no fiber running into that fucking neighborhood. So the fastest upload speed I'm able to get is like 100 megabits per second, which is a little scary. I guess we'll find out how that shit goes. Bro, this guy gets triggered like crazy. He snaps. Bro. Are you trying to tell the other 200 people that are on here something they don't already fucking know? Doomslayer. Yeah, dude. Like I could get, yeah, I have Cox, which I have here too. I could get fast download speed. I could get fast download speed, but I can't get fast upload speed, which kind of, I mean, I already looked. I only need like 10, but the issue is like when everybody in the house, I got to run like Ethernet ports in there, so I'm hardwired. T. Charles, if you're still here, man, the answer is depends on the account you buy. Whatever you buy on the eval side, when that becomes funded, it's the same. So if you go static, it'll be static unfunded. If you go end of day trailing on an eval, you'll get end of day unfunded. If you go intraday, you'll have intraday unfunded. It's based on whatever you choose on the eval side, but only when you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Kenny, Starlink. I don't know if I want to fuck with Warner Von Braun. I appreciate it, T. Charles. Appreciate it, man. Enzo. Tickle. Jonathan Trentwell.
They just called me from the gate.
Why? What happened?
The guy is there to take down the sign.
Oh, okay.
Did they try to call you?
Maybe. What was the number?
725 number. Good thing I picked up. I saw my phone ringing.
Oh, shit, yeah. 204-3851. Oh. Yeah.
I'm going to save it in my phone. That's the key.
114 down, 19 up. Do you have Starlink? You know what I'm going to do? I'm probably going to do, I'm going to definitely, yeah, I need more than 19 up. Where you at, Enzo? 10 megabits per second up? That's crazy. What up, D-Walk? Holy Earth, what up? Imagine coming on someone's stream just to say that one thing and then bouncing. this guy snaps. Hey guys, hey bro, guys, this guy snaps. Yeah, no fiber. I mean, they have fiber everywhere, but not there. I'm gonna fucking miss it. This guy gets triggered. Exactly. Full tilt. 10 megabits per second up. That's rough. I mean, that's technically all you need, but I have like 4 kids and then my wife, and they're all fucking going to be sucking the life out of the Wi-Fi. I'm probably going to get one of those fucking mesh things going on, like the booster, but I'm definitely running some Ethernet. I'm going to run Ethernet ports in my office and a couple other strategic locations. Oh, what are you in, like the fucking Everglades over there? You in the fucking swamp area, Enzo? Come on, we need to get to fucking 214 in the next 20 minutes. Double O Kevin. Yeah, just I got it right here. This house that I'm in right now has a fucking whole network set up. The whole house is hardwired with Ethernet. I could fucking plug into an Ethernet port and be hardwired to the fucking router and get the most speed available almost anywhere in this house. But the new house that I'll be living in like a month and a half does not have fiber, and it has the house was built in 1999. So it has fucking phone jacks everywhere, though. If I need to put a fucking landline phone in this house, I could do that almost anywhere. But no Ethernet. Yeah, the new trailer. Exactly, Jay, the trailer. Oh, farmland, Enzo? No doubt. Gainesville. I'm in fucking Gainesville right now. Look at this fucking account. I'm in fucking Gainesville, son. Me too. Come on, keep going, motherfucker. Please. Please. If you guys are not in the Discord yet and you want to hang out with an awesome group of people and a lot of really, really good traders, here's the link. It's free for now. Come on, keep pushing. We just need like 30 more points. Yo, Spoiled, you hit your take profit got hit, bro. You still here? 85.25 is what you wanted. You got it. Hope you didn't get spoiled or greedy. Get it? Is that it? Oh, Granny, don't. Can't go. I can't leave this empty-handed. The good thing with this Lucid account is it's not intraday trailing. So, you know, when you're intraday trailing, like right here would have been the spot where it started working against me. What was this? What was this anyway? Oh, that's so fucked up. That's fucked up. What is this anyway? I'm just curious. All of this shit. Yeah, I mean, I did say before it's going to have trouble getting through all of this, but whatever. Oh shit! I didn't even think about that. How am I even still trading this account? Oh wait, am I allowed to trade this anymore? No, rejected. That's it. When did they cut you off at 144? At 444? Professor Loki, I think you will. You're right there. You're right there, bro. But hey, spoil. But did you at least get out of that trade? Your take profit got hit. Yeah, so I wouldn't have got it no matter what. Let me close this out. They still kept the order open, the other order open. It didn't just cancel everything. All right, well, we got $232 to make them hollow. To make them hollow. I got to save this number in my phone. All right, Justin, right? I'll see you. Oh, really, Spoil? You couldn't just wait? I've been there, bro. Plenty of times. Kevin Tobias, no doubt, man. I mean, I believe, I know I'm profitable overall, but not by much. Just based on some of the fucked up months I had. But right now, I'm just focused on one of my biggest focuses is just retaining accounts that I get paid on. If I could get paid on an account, like let's say, any account that like you have to trade for X amount of days or whatever, and then you get your payout and you have to trade for another batch of days, like Apex, like bulenox, like Lucid, like My Funded Futures, any of those firms that I trade with, holding on to the account after a single payout and then taking them to multiple payouts is the name of the game. And obviously with Take Profit Trader and Trade Day, once you get over the buffer, staying over the buffer and continuing to take profits from that shit too. That's been like one of my biggest fucking challenges since day one. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. I'm gonna bounce too, guys. I gotta do something in the Discord, and I gotta make my update videos. So smash the like button on your way out, please. If you got to grab accounts with Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, bulenox, Trade Day, or Lucid, use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Elemento, yo. I appreciate you guys for hanging out. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. I'll be streaming tomorrow and every other day for Power Hour 2 and 2 close. And then I'll try to get on at other times. I've been streaming during Asia a lot lately too. So hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks again.